Hi guys, went into Poundland today. They're selling off their Easter stock, half price. Before Easter these were £1.50 each. Pressing chick. I'll show you how they work in a minute. I'm pretty sure I did a video on these either last year or the year before. I think I might have actually played with them in the store to do a cheap video rather than actually buying them. Maybe. If I did, I'll put a link in the video description. Yeah, obviously they're the same, just change the colours over to mix and match. You push them down and away they go. That's it. That's all they do. I thought I might just see if we could get them to go round this tray. And a wheel spin there. I have an idea I did the same thing last time. Or a similar toy. That's familiar doing that. I apologise if this is a duplicate video. Yeah, I think I did a teardown on them to have a look at the mechanism. 26th of the 10th, 2024. Produced for Poundland, or PLDZ as they call themselves. Made in China. And the other one's going a little bit further, isn't it? Or it did. Suppose you could play fight with them. Sumo style. Sue gets knocked out the ring. We could have a quick look inside anyway. As I say, I apologise in advance if this is a duplicate. Oh, that's too big. Right, there we are. So, coming close, push that down. As it comes up, it engages the gear and spins the wheels. You can see the spring in there, that's the power. So you can press that, and as you release it, all the gears turn and spin the wheels. And that's it. That little square bit there lines up with that bit there. Which way round do we go? Faces this way. You can actually see it there. Oh, hold it still. And that's it. So we've also done a teardown. Get all the bits back in. Not quite lined up. That's it. Screws back in. I expect the best thing I can do is just donate these to a charity shop now. Wow. Have I loosened him up and he's going better now by any chance? Nah, it's about the same distance. Yeah. And that one don't go quite as far. Yeah. So there you go, Easter chicks. Pressing chicks. That 24 months plus, age 2 over. Recommended for children over 24 months. That'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.